In this video, we'll create a summer-themed stencil in SelfCAD. We are going to follow the interactive tutorial. To begin, go to SelfCAD. Then select Interactive Tutorial in the home page. Search for Stencil. Then click to open. To begin the design process, we are going to start by creating a precise 2D geometry and define clean vector boundaries that we shall later convert into a solid form. First, activate 3D Sketch from the Drawing category. Next, select the Rectangle tool. Click to the point where you want your drawing start from. Move the length to the point you would like it to appear. For this example, we shall set to 110 millimeters. Next, hold Shift, then click on another point where you want width to appear. For this demonstration, we shall set the width to 150 millimeters. This rectangle becomes the structural frame of the stencil. By defining exact measurements, we control the final size, ensure print bed compatibility, and create a stable border that supports the inner artwork. Close the 3D Sketch panel. Now, activate the Move tool and click Center Object. Centering aligns the plate with the workspace origin. This improves symmetry and maintains balanced spacing. Next, activate the Fillet tool from the Modify category. Adjust the intensity and level. For this example, we shall set intensity to 5 and level to 4, then finalize. This will round the rectangle's corners. Rounding the corners removes sharp edges and reduces stress concentration. This improves durability, prevents cracking during printing, and gives the stencil a more refined and professional appearance. Now we introduce the decorative elements. Go to the File menu, click Import, and choose Load Object from Tutorial. These imported profiles form the summer-themed cutouts. Using pre-made profiles saves time, and you don't have to design each and every section from scratch. After importing, go to the Edit menu and click Select All, then activate Merge. Merging combines all separate shapes into one unified object. This step is critical because a stencil must be one continuous body. It prevents floating pieces and prepares the design for clean extrusion. Now, activate the Extrusion tool and set the extrusion amount to 2 millimeters. Then finalize. This converts the flat 2D design into a physical stencil plate. 2 millimeters provides a strong balance between rigidity and flexibility. It keeps the stencil sturdy while still allowing crisp paint edges and efficient material usage. Finally, click the color picker, choose your preferred color, and confirm. Slice the file, then send to your 3D printer. Once done 3D printing, remove it from the 3D printer bed and it will be ready for use. And that's how we transform simple imported profiles into a complete summer stencil. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.